Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about luckyforce.com. So luckyforce.com, it's a website of watches. As you can see, they look so good, looks amazing. The prices are looks attentive, but when we dig deeper about this website, as you can see, for example, when you go to scam detector, it has below average score. When you go to host.com, it is registered in 2023. But when you go to Transparent for reviews, there are a lot of good reviews here. But be careful, guys. Maybe they are false reviews. So as you can see here, when we dig deeper, there is a bad review, horrible service. They said, truthfully, 1 star. Is it ever coming? I want to leave. I ordered 2 watches for my dad. So as you can see, guys, be careful. I don't recommend you to buy from this website because you can get the same watches from AliExpress for $10 and $20. Don't waste your money for $80 and $100 watches. So, guys, be careful and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.